people refer to natural hair as virgin hair. I really don't get it. Like, I really don't get it. I don't understand. It just makes me cringe. Like, oh, she ain't a virgin hair. I'm like, why is the term virgin hair, please? Like, so before my hair was this virgin, that before I be what? Hi there, people of the interweb. Welcome to my channel. My name is Ukachi. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Join the K squad by hitting the big red subscribe button that is below and notification bell beside it. And if you're new to my channel, welcome back home. So today's video is the first, or is a first of its kind on my channel. Say get unready with me, chit chat kind of sort of video. Okay, we're going to be discussing my pet peeves when it comes to natural hair, things that people do, things that brands do that makes me give them the side eye while taking off my makeup. Yeah, this is beauty. We're going to wipe it all off. Okay, so without further ado, you know how we do. Let us get right into the video. So I'm going to go ahead and take off like my jewelry because we're going to sleep. Okay, then I'm going to have to cover my hair. Satin scarf from Neo Satin. I'm going to go ahead and take this shirt off, just change my shirt up quickly and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to first go in with like an oil to like wipe off my makeup. They said we should stop using face wipes. I used to use an oil before, like back in the like 2015, 2016. I used to use coconut oil. When I purchased coconut oil, I used a major part on my face, not on my hair, because you all know I use coconut oil. So I'm going to be using this olive oil from a brand called Laser. I use this for like all my DIY oils these days because these are actually quite affordable if you're buying the big size. So yeah, my first pet peeve that I really hate is from my hands are actually washed. So it's from Nigerian brands. Many Nigerian brands don't list out their ingredients. The dominant is a cotton wool. Let me use my hand first, please. Many Nigerian brands don't list out their ingredients, and that thing pisses me the hell off. I don't know why, but it really makes me angry because I'm like, if your product is really that good, you shouldn't be bothered about people stealing your ingredients. You don't see Coca-Cola hiding their ingredients. It's how they make it that nobody knows. I don't know if you get, like, you see many brands trying to come and imitate Coke, but they all didn't get anywhere. Some of them even crashed in the, or like their business didn't do as well. Pepsi, the same thing. Many brands try to imitate Pepsi, but we all know what Pepsi tastes like. We all know what Coke tastes like. We can practically taste Pepsi and differentiate the difference between Pepsi and Coke. So I don't know why many brands, especially Nigerian skincare brands, like a lot of them like hide their ingredients, and to me that is very pointless. And you see somebody that writes, oh, ingredients, you have like you're saying a glow oil, you write the ingredients, essential oil blend only for like a body glow oil. Like, how do I trust you? How can I how can I trust you? Like, how do you expect me to trust you? Because some people react to some specific products, and when you don't list your ingredients out, you're practically like setting your clients up to react. Like now, if a Nigerian brands don't write, many of them don't write their ingredients. They can write it, and I said this in my product review video that I did. Most have that video linked here. Many of them do. I don't know why they are hiding it. Because if you want to register in NAFDAC, you would have to like declare your ingredients. Because people are applying these things topically on their skin. We want to know what we're applying on our skin, on our hair, because your body is going to practically absorb it. Like, your body is going to absorb it all. So it's very annoying when I see brands like that. Thing actually pisses me off. Like, you can already see my eyes roll. If I see a brand doesn't do this thing, I'll bleed like roll my eyes. I'm like, I'm not here for it, to be very honest. I really like this oil cleansing method though. I really like it. Like, I like using my hands for it, to be very honest. I want to go ahead and I think I'll just wash my hand quickly. And yeah, just take cotton wool. I got this from Spa just to wipe off all the excess oil. All the excess oil before I go ahead to like use a face wash. Bro, this cotton wool is destroyed. For the face wash I use is this from Beauty Formulas. This is their new skin glycolic facial wash. I showed this in my skincare haul from February, from Valentine's Day. And for those that are like, Ukachi, are you really sure the product is good, blah blah blah, I bought another one. This is my third one actually. I have one in school and I have two at home. So I'll quickly go ahead and get my face wet off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to apply this to my face. My next pet peeve is like when people refer to natural hair as virgin hair. I really don't get it. Like, I really don't get it. I don't understand. It just makes me cringe. Like, oh, she ain't a virgin hair. I'm like, why is the term virgin hair, please? Like, so before my hair was this virgin, that before I be what? Like, so she ain't a virgin hair. I'm like, what? Like, I know there's some, like, I know like there's virgin hair fertilizer. I like the product. I know that thing means natural hair fertilizer, but like, okay, they've made a mistake by calling their brand that, and they built a brand name around it being called virgin hair fertilizer. But when you on your own start calling it virgin hair, I'm like, no, don't do that. It makes me cringe. Like, something like when you go out and she have virgin hair, she have virgin hair, you have virgin. I'm like, like, it practically makes me really cringe. Like, if you still do it, I'm not judging you or anything. I'm just telling you my own opinions, okay? So, say we should wash our face for 1 minute. The thing why I like this face washing, to be honest, it's because it's very affordable. As the last time I bought the last one, though, their price has increased by almost 500 naira. But I purchased this for 750 naira. I actually purchased two because I saw it was 750 naira in the shop. The price is now like 1,001 or 1,002. And I like the fact that it's like glycolic acid, AHA, and everything. They're clarifier, so I've already stained the body with makeup. But yeah, I like the packaging, I like the smell, I like everything. I like the fact that it's a clear gel. It's very clear. So and it gets the job done. Yeah, let me just quickly go ahead and wash my face off camera and I'll be right back. So I'm back now and I want to just tone my face with this toner from Face Facts. I also purchased this for 750 naira. I'm all for affordable skincare, to be very honest, because if I can get an affordable rate, why am I going to be spending plenty money? So this toner is the hydrating toner. Because I'm still going to go ahead and like exfoliate and everything, sure. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to like exfoliate my face. I purchased this skin peeling gel from Miniso for about 1,415. And I prefer this to like using actual scrubs, and it's actually quite affordable, even though it's the most expensive thing in my stash, but it's quite affordable, yeah. So let's just apply that. Let's talk about the next pet peeve. This is how it looks. So I actually use this like anytime I wear makeup, because I don't wear makeup that often. So yeah. So my next pet peeve is people saying that natural hair is expensive. Like having natural hair is expensive. Like I always give people this side when like it pisses me off. Not like it makes me like angry, but like I'll just be looking at you like, what was this one saying? Because having relaxed hair is expensive also. Having relaxed hair that you want to groom is expensive also. Most of us had relaxed hair, we not put in so much effort to create for our relaxed hair. That's why we thought that relaxed hair was cheap. That's the truth. Because naturally, like, there are many affordable brands. There are many, 1,000,001 affordable brands out there for natural hair. I've reviewed 1,000,001 brands on this channel. Mega Growth offers affordable products for the high porosity girls that want like a little bit of strengthening. There are like 450 naira, 500 naira to 1,000, 1,005. There are Nigerian brands like My Hair Naturals, which all their products are 2,000. There's Kuri. The most expensive thing in their range is 2,000. There's 2,000, there's 1,2, there's 1,8 or so. There's Mamiya Organics. They practically offer like the products are legit like so affordable. There are many affordable Nigerian brands. So when anyone says, oh, natural is expensive, there's freaking VO5. VO5 is 700 naira. You buy a relaxed hair shampoo for like 500 to 200 naira. An extra 200 naira will not hurt you. And VO5 with some quality stuff. I used VO5 before, and it's not shit. I kid you not. So people say natural hair is expensive. Yeah, styling it can be quite expensive. When you want to go to the salon to go and style your hair, natural hair salons are quite on the high side. I will not argue with anybody. Yes, but like taking care of a natural hair is not so expensive, except from styling. I think when you go, because I called in a salon to get crochet and they told me 7,000. I asked them, is it with hair? They said it's not with hair. And I have a stylist that does mine for me around my house, and she charged me like 800 or 900 naira to do crochet. So like yeah, that's styling is quite expensive. I will not argue, because like there are many, most salon specializes in natural hair, because there are so few people that specialize in natural hair. Their price tends to be like higher. Yeah, if everybody specializes in natural hair styling will become very like way cheaper. Like they'll probably be charging like 2, 3, 4K for crochet. But even in I went to the best reviewed salon in Lagos. I think they charged me like 3,500 for the crochet that I did. 3,500 or 3,000, I can't remember. I'm going to the link there, so you should check it out if you want to see where I went to get my hair done and yeah, all that stuff. So yeah, natural hair is not expensive. Your products are not expensive. You can legit buy a whole range with 10,000 that will last you for like 6 months. If you buy from brands like We Natural Self, I bought that product range. I had it for 2 years, since no one to finish. Things like we even tire me. So if you buy a brand like that, guy, it's not expensive, okay? So I'm going to quickly go off camera, wash off my face. Fam, this is really exfoliated all the dead skin cells. Like all them dead skin. The reason why is because there's no physical exfoliant, there's no like bead inside, there's no bead or apricots, any or salt or anything. It's just the carbon that is making it from all these yama yama things, okay? Even all the dead cells, like I've not exfoliated in a while though. I'm done. I'm back again. So my next pet peeve is people like practical. I'm toning my face now. People touching my hair in the salon. I legit hate that thing. Like if I go to the salon today and I want to make my hair and oh, you come in and say, oh, you have nice hair, I'll say thank you, normal, because they feel like a compliment. Oh, thank you very much. When you now do the extra step over syllabus to come and start trying to touch my hair, it pisses me off like mad. Like most of the people, oh, I'm already turning to face them like thank you. So I see where your hands are, so you can keep your hands to I actually really don't like that thing. And that still brings me to another pet peeve. I hate when people touch my hair. Like I hate it, like just keep your hands to yourself. Or ask me. Don't just come and just dive in like, oh, candy, like a small child. Candy, then you're diving into my hair. No. My dear, we don't work like that. We don't do things like that. I genuinely hate it. Like first ask me. If you're not going to ask me, then don't near me. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some eye cream from Face Facts. You guys remember this eye cream from my skincare haul from Valentine's Day. Just a little. I can't be using this, but this thing they said how many months? 12 months. You cannot. It will take this thing like 2 years for this thing to finish, and it expires in 1 year. So the size is too much for what it is. Like it's too big. My skin feels so smooth from that exfoliation thing that I did. Then I really use an acne treatment. This is Oxy 5. Before you use Oxy 5 or Oxy 10, be very careful. I'm pointing to you, be very careful. I used it on my skin for 3 days straight. I felt I applied like a face cream and I went to go and sleep. And my skin went from oily skin to extremely dry. My skin was so dry. I was gonna buy aloe vera gel in the market. God. My skin here was so dry, like it was forming scales, flakes. Be very careful. If you want to use this thing, be very careful. And it's very expensive. 2,000 naira, 2,150 for this smallest thing here, and it's the most expensive thing. I mean, there's nothing inside that's even finished, and I've used up to 15 times. Oh, I think I've tried. So I apply this on my face like every night. I like remember to apply it for like acne, because this is like my acne. So this is my acne spots. Be very careful. This thing legit dries out your skin, but it's a very good acne treatment. I'm most likely about another one, shall. I have like acne all over here like this, but you might not see it, but I can feel it. Let me apply here also. I used to have on my forehead though, but I was applying to my forehead and the one on my forehead has gone, so it works, okay? I use a cream from Face Facts also. I have the Face Facts. I have one from this is their firming range. This is their hydrating range. Chill. And this is their from their cleansing range. I just went and picked one of each from each range, okay? Face Facts and the Beauty Formulas are from like the same brand in Nigeria, basically. They're run by like almost the same brand. Paxo.com, I think. Paxo. Yeah, so this is their firming night cream. I actually really love this cream. So I'm going to just go ahead and apply it, and yeah. A little goes a very long way. See how much I have to take. Just this little. Rub it around my hand, because so I think I'll end here. I think should I add an extra pet peeve? Yeah, I think another extra pet peeve I have is that it has to do with brands. When brands are providing basic services or basic products like a hair butter and give it fancy names like extra strengthening cholesterol. God, no. Something around that side. They can't give me your products fancy names like if it's a hair butter, call it a hair butter. Stop calling it like fattening, strengthening, thickening cholesterol. Like what's that? That thing makes me annoyed. I think a brand it was the Benny Harlem. I did a video about Benny. I did like 2 videos actually about Benny Harlem. Check them out here. I talked about his products and how he gives products fancy names for basic shit. So I really don't like that at all. It actually makes me like give the brand a side. I like, what are you doing? Like if you want to call it shampoo, you don't come and say pure cleansing liquid or something like some chemistry stores. No, I'm actually not here for it. So it's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed my skincare routine. This is how I do my skin like almost every night. The only thing I like sub out most of the time is the skin peeling gel because you're not meant to exfoliate every day. But every other thing I use every day. This is my exact every damn day. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you learned 18 or 2. I think you learned 18 or 2 now. How to do skincare routine. Subscribe to my channel, share this content with all your friends, subscribe, follow me across all social media platforms and natural catching. This video a thumbs up. You have watched me talk for almost 10 minutes. Give it a thumbs up, Joe. And I think I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember that God is watching you, so give God a beautiful show.